There are several advantages and disadvantages of online classes. Here are some of the main ones. Advantages of online classes: flexibility. Online classes can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, which means you can study at your own pace and on your own schedule. Convenience: you don't have to commute to a physical classroom or worry about being late. You can study from the comfort of your own home or wherever you are. Accessibility: online classes can be accessed by anyone, regardless of their location or physical ability. This makes education more accessible to people who may not be able to attend traditional classes. Cost-effective: online classes are often less expensive than traditional classes, as there are no commuting or housing costs. Disadvantages of online classes: lack of social interaction. Online classes can be isolating, as you don't have the same opportunities to interact with classmates and instructors as you would in a physical classroom. Technical difficulties: online classes require reliable internet access and a functional computer or mobile device. Technical difficulties can be frustrating and disrupt your learning experience. Self-motivation: online classes require a high level of self-motivation and self-discipline, as you don't have the same level of accountability as you would in a physical classroom. Limited hands-on learning: some subjects, such as lab sciences or art classes, may require hands-on learning that is difficult to replicate in an online environment. Overall, online classes can be a great option for people who need flexibility and accessibility in their education, but they may not be the best fit for everyone. It's important to consider your own learning style and needs when deciding whether to take online classes.